Hey everyone, we're doing a refrigerator clean out today. Little pigs are getting their snacks this morning. We got some eggs and rice and all kinds of stuff in there. They love refrigerator clean out day. That good girl. I want some eggs. Got these over here, they're ready for some too. I've tried feeding them out of bowls before, but they just flip it over and throw it on the ground and want to eat it off the ground, so we don't even try. This is our boar. He's about 700 pounds now. He's a big boy. Two sows there. Nothing goes to waste here.